Hey guys, it's Rhea again at all of our homes, and we are continuing our Swedish food from home series today with some quick and easy dinner ideas. If you've been following our vlog, then you probably already know that we went on a huge IKEA grocery haul and picked up a bunch of groceries for breakfast and dinners, and even some Swedish fikas. So today we're going to share with you some of those dinner ideas, but you can also check out our other videos that are in the series. I will link them in the description box below. So for the first dinner, we have salmon and veggie medallions. And I started this dinner off by slicing up some cucumber very thin to make a cucumber and dill salad. A recipe that I found on swedishfood.com, and I can link to that recipe in the description box below. But yeah, you just put the cucumbers in a colander and sprinkle them with just a little bit of salt. Around 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped dill, and then 2 tablespoons of sugar and vinegar, and then mix that all together in a bowl. The cucumbers need to sit in the salt for around 10 minutes or so, and then you can mix the whole salad together. And then I put the oven at 390 degrees, which is ideal for this dinner because both the salmon and the veggie medallions can cook at that temperature, so it makes it a very easy sort of one-pan dinner to make. And then we also have this cake, this princess cake from IKEA. And for these, you need to take them out of the packaging around 30 minutes before you're going to serve them. So I took them out ahead of time and set them out to defrost. Tricks to this cucumber salad is that you need to rinse off the salt and then pat the cucumbers dry with a towel and make sure that they're nice and dry before you add it to the dressing. And this cucumber salad lasts for a couple of days in the fridge. And then the classic crisp bread with cheese. And the cheese that we have here is from the IKEA market. And here is the first dinner with some fresh cucumber dill salad, salmon, and the veggie medallions. You can also get this mustard and dill sauce, which is really great with fish, and you could also use it with chicken as well. The next dinner was the classic Swedish meatballs. I preheated the oven to 425 degrees. And then took out the dessert right away because just like the princess cakes, this almond cake also needs to sit out for around 30 minutes. And then boiled some potatoes. We've got the classic Swedish meatballs from IKEA. These were the chicken meatballs, but any of the Swedish meatballs would work with this. And then put them in the oven for around 15 minutes, which is around the same amount of time it takes to boil those potatoes. So another easy dinner that can be ready within half an hour. So while the potatoes are boiling, the meatballs are cooking in the oven, and just getting out some more crisp bread and cheese and butter. And then also cucumber salad and lingonberry. And then to make the gravy, you just add some water to a pot and some milk and mix it all up. A trick to seeing if your potatoes are done is they should slide easily off a fork. If they don't, they should cook a bit longer. And then this was the second dinner. Classic Swedish meatballs with lingonberry, more of the cucumber dill salad, and some fingerling potatoes. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by our home.